In this video, I'll show you the best export settings in CapCut for Instagram Reels. So first things first, you just need to launch up the CapCut application and make sure you have your video imported inside of here. Then all you need to do is select the video like so and then scroll all the way across in this bottom navigation, and from here you need to select adjust. From here select sharpen, and you want to make sure this is set between 5 and 10. So I'm going to keep this on 8 and then press the tick. Once you've added the sharpness, we're then going to click the button next to export this 1080p. Now for resolution, you can either set this to 1080p or 4K. This really depends on the quality that you filmed the video in. So my video was filmed on 1080p, so I'm going to keep it as that. For frame rate, you want to set this to 30 as this will give you the smoothest playback. Code rate, we're going to change this all the way to its highest settings for the best image quality. And smart HDR, you need to make sure this is disabled. And once again, this is going to give you the best quality for your Instagram Reels. Once you've done that, we can close out of these settings and press the export button. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.